Should homemade lasagna be frozen, cooked, or uncooked? My wife and I are prepping some meals ahead of time before baby number 2 arrives early next month. She just made 3 small lasagnas, 8x8 pans, this afternoon, and we are debating whether to bake them first and then freeze them down, or freezing them uncooked and bake when we are ready to eat. What is the proper method to maintain the quality of the food as much as possible? Cooking and thawing times when we decide to serve it are less of a factor. We used standard noodles, not the no-boil type, and it has canned sauce, pork sausage, ground beef, ricotta, and fresh mozzarella in case the ingredients impact is the best option.
I'd say freeze nearly all of them uncooked and bake when ready. That way they go through only one cooking and maintain the fresh lasagna taste, feel. The sauce and the cheese will freeze okay. Mozzarella is a pretty sensitive cheese, and once it's been baked, it's not going to hold as well when thawed and rewarmed. In my experience, it gets gummy and the fat runs off. You have much better chance of enjoying a good meal with the cheese frozen raw. Unfortunately, your noodles will likely take the hardest hit, but will likely fare better than going through 2 heat cycles. The ground beef and sausage will also fare better that way. The reason I suggested freezing most and not all, is that there are times when you're behind the 8 ball, hungry, and don't have the time to bake the sucker, and even ponder settling for dog food. At that point, having a silver bullet in the freezer is a bonus winking face, and you'll be okay with inferior lasagna. I have cooked lasagna, cooled it overnight in the refrigerator, cut the lasagna in portions, vacuum sealed, and froze the portions. I have received all positive feedback on the lasagna.